Game frameworks. In the ever-evolving landscape of game development, the use of robust and efficient tools is crucial for creating immersive and engaging gaming experiences. Game frameworks play a pivotal role in this process, providing developers with a structured foundation to build upon. This article delves into the realm of game frameworks, examining their significance, key features, and their role in shaping the gaming industry. A game framework is essentially a reusable set of libraries, tools, and conventions designed to aid developers in building games more efficiently. It acts as a skeleton that provides a structure and common functionality, allowing developers to focus on game-specific aspects rather than grappling with low-level details. Game frameworks often include modules for handling graphics, input, sound, physics, and other essential components, streamlining and the development process. Key features: abstraction of complexity. Game frameworks abstract complex tasks, providing developers with high-level APIs that simplify the implementation of common game features. This abstraction allows developers to concentrate on the creative and unique aspects of their games without getting bogged down by intricate technicalities. Cross-platform compatibility. Many game frameworks offer cross-platform support, enabling developers to create games that can run on various devices and operating systems. This versatility is crucial in today's multi-platform gaming environment, where the titles are often expected to reach audiences across consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Community support and documentation. Several communities often surround popular game frameworks. This community support is invaluable for developers as it provides access to a wealth of knowledge, tutorials, and forums where they can seek help, share experiences, and collaborate on problem solving. Performance optimization. Game frameworks are designed with performance in mind, incorporating optimizations and best practices to ensure that game runs smoothly. This includes efficient rendering pipelines, collision detection algorithms, and resource management systems that contribute to a seamless gaming experience. Asset management. Many game frameworks include tools for managing and organizing game assets such as textures, models, and sound files. This streamlines the asset pipeline, making it easier for developers to integrate and update assets during the development process. Libraries. Library is a collection of pre-written code that you can use to perform specific tasks. Libraries are often used to reduce the amount of code a programmer needs to write by providing reusable functions or classes that can be called upon as needed. Here we have a game project setup.